So guys, I hope you're going to agree there's a big difference. There's a lot less cells. Of course, that's what I like. It's always subjective, but I'm not a big fan of cells as it is. So I think that the result is nicer, for, at least, like I said, for me, it's a bit more linear and it's a bit more defined. So I think it's great that way. Of course, we still have a lot of cells. One of the reasons, I don't know if we talked about it, I think I should have said something about it, that's for sure, but maybe a long time ago. One way that we create a lot of cells when we mix our acrylic with water is when you stir your acrylic and the water. As long as you stir, you create more oxygen, more air bubble, and of course that's what makes all those cells. So there's going to be a little bit of them, because one of the things I should have done, to be sure not to have some cells, would have been to let the acrylic rest for at least half an hour. This way the air bubble goes away and you won't have any cells left because of it. So like I said, it's a question of taste. I have to say that as I'm speaking to you, of course I just finished it, as I'm speaking to you, I see that there's more and more cells that being creating, but listen, it's not that bad. It's not what I wanted, but I just told you why it happens. Nevertheless, it's a lot less cells than what we did last time. So, of course, guys, you have to test it, you have to try it. It's nice. You see, it's not that big of a problem doing it with a funnel, but I think it makes a whole lot of difference in the finished product. So guys, like I said, you have to try it at least once to be sure you like it or not, and then use your preferred color, of course. And like always, guys, don't forget to join us on Facebook and on Instagram. It's always nice to share on a daily basis. And like always, guys, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you in the next painting video, guys. Thanks. Take care. Ciao.